Krabi.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's Vedant and my brother here, Dhairya.
What's up, guys? It's me, Dhairya, and today we are here with another day. It is
Saturday.
weekend day, and it was just sunny, but now it just turned cloudy, which is weird. But you guys can see the weather. Really nice weather, but
And you can.
Yeah, we're starting off the vlog outside, and we're about to go to the grocery store to go grab some stuff, right, Vedant?
Yeah. After we go shopping to Costco, we will be unboxing something cool in the evening.
Super duper cool. You guys will see it. Stay tuned for that. It is something really cool.
But yeah, we'll see you at the store.
Alright, guys, now we're gonna go pick up our stuff, which is the paneer. Hey, Vedant.
Hey, guys. You got 2 or 1? 2? Okay.
Alright, we got
1. Oh.
And we're getting 2, right?
Yeah, the 2 boxes already ran out.
Oh my.
People like it.
Yeah.
And we're one of them. And now we're gonna have to go in the freezer section. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
You are wearing half sleeves
And shorts.
No,
I'm going back in. But I'm just kidding. Alright, over here. Never mind. 1, right?
1.
Yeah. I was gonna pick up this one, but this one looks a little cooked. Alright.
Another item added to our cart.
4 items.
Oh, whipped cream plus ice cream.
Wait, guys, should I go in that section and dance? No.
No, we don't need to dance over here,
cold.
bro.
Let's just go.
Enough dancing from our last video.
It's really cold. I think we might be taking eggs. Guys, you got some kick ice cream.
Let's go.
Oh, God. It's so cold. Oh, thank you.
Another item added.
Another item. We have 22. Alright, guys, we're back from the store, and like 30 minutes ago I took a shower and I'm all freshed up. So now we're heading downstairs to see what we get having for lunch. Oh, hi, Mom. My mommy is over here. Wait.
Hello.
Oh my God. Yeah, I'm not showing you guys right now. Can I make one?
Yes, sure.
Okay, guys. So we're having lunch, and I'm actually gonna be making a dosa.
Yes.
So.
Put some.
Oh. I want a big, massive one.
ये जो पहले इससे डोसा के लिए, okay?
Look how satisfying it looks. Oh, it looks like the store Target? It looks like the Target, how it goes round, tiny, tiny. And, bro, you just gotta call him name when he comes. See, what did I tell you?
Hey guys.
We're getting...
You like the dosa or no?
I love dosa.
And rice also?
And rice.
You want a potato or no?
No.
I want potato.
Okay.
There's already a potato one made for you, I guess.
Hey,
So
dude.
I'm gonna flip again, okay?
Yeah.
1,
2,
2, 3,
3.
go. Start! Yay!
3. Alright, guys, so while our dosas are gonna get made, so this one's already made, so I'm gonna eat that one. So we'll see you at the dining table.
Bye!
Alright, guys, finally our food is ready. So
Yep.
over here we got a crispy dosa. It's looking tasty.
And for me, I have some potato inside because I like it more with some more stuff. So we got some filling in this.
Yeah, I would do that, but I just want a plain dosa. And over here with the dosa, we have sambar, the lentils.
Yeah.
It looks so good. So the way how you eat it, you tear the dosa and you dip it in. You take it forever. Alright, ready?
3, 2, 1.
Oh my God. Perfect. I love the crunchy.
So crispy.
And the lentils.
And also, we have this
Called chutney.
called green chutney. It's made of coriander.
Coriander, yeah. And this one is the coconut one.
Mhm.
I'm gonna try the coriander one. And bring it closer. Yes.
You might want to bring your. Okay, whatever.
Or yeah, that works.
Good boy.
Yeah.
Put it on the ground. Don't lift it up.
I'm just gonna take a little bit of coconut. Okay, I'm gonna get ready.
You can eat.
Okay, ready? Oh my god. Mom, the chutney's the green one. It's minty. It's a little spicy. It's perfect. I like the dosa. It's really crunchy as well. Oh, let me try the
Can I
coconut.
try? Oh my goodness. ये मार्केट वाले से भी अच्छा हो रहा है.
Sure.
Mm-mm.
Yeah.
like the crispy one.
Yep.
Right, Dhairya?
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna keep on eating this tasty food, but we'll see you after lunch. All right, guys, we're back from lunch. How do you like the lunch?
It was so tasty. It's so like fantastic. It's like superb.
Okay, yeah, you know what? Okay, it's good. All right, it's more than good. So
Yeah.
now, as you saw in the previous, while we're recording, we said that we'd open something in the evening.
What do you guys think it could be? Drop it down before you see this part.
Yeah, before you see.
Not after, and don't cheat.
Yep.
Just yeah. Well,
So
this is something really like super cool.
yeah, and if let's give them a hint.
Yeah.
If you are a sport like a soccer player, it's for you.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna lead it over to you now.
All right, guys. What you guys think it is? Well, we're about to do it. So let's do drum roll.
Review. 10. Let's go.
We over here have the Zuru Ballers pack.
Yes, this looks really cool from the outside. Okay, let me show you how. We have the top star players right now. This is Donnarumma, the goalkeeper. This is Mbappe, a striker. This is Messi, as we all know. And this is Musiala, a super German player. And this is Harry Kane, the
Yep.
famous England player.
And this is part of the FIFA 2026
World Cup.
And this over here is happening in Seattle over here. Almost like super duper close to us. Like 20 minutes, we're over there.
6 games.
6 games.
We could
Yeah.
watch one, or we can watch one live. Just have
Yeah, we can
popcorn.
watch one. You know where we can watch one? In this area, watching on the TV.
Yeah. So over here, they're like soccer balls, kind of. They look
Yeah,
like it.
they're balls, and you open them. So
And when you open them, you can find people like
Yeah.
really good soccer
you can
players.
find soccer players. So
And-
over here we have the box, a super cool box on the back and front. Ooh, wow. You can find everything over here. So these are all like the common players that we can get. And then these are the rare players. And then these are the super rare people. Over here, you can get a 1 out of 9 chance to get one of these. And you guys are guaranteed getting these. Well, not guaranteed, but easy chance to get these. And then this is 1 in a 90. So let's see if we can get one of the 90s.
Yep.
All right, guys. Now we're gonna unbox it. 3,
2,
2,
1.
1.
See? Oh, it's like opening a gate. Look. Wee. Ready, go. Oh, you got it.
You get these 2 balls.
Okay.
Wait, which one did you want? Actually, you take your own ones. I get these 2 balls. So I
what's in
wonder
here?
what it is.
Yeah.
It says something over here. It says, 2 of goals, 4 balls, and 30 pieces. That might be the pitch. So let's check it out.
Go on. Yep.
All right.
All right.
Let me pull it out. Actually, whoa.
Whoa.
Why does this look like ice cream balls?
It looks like ice. I was chocolate ice
just
cream.
from before when we went to the store.
Yep.
Listen to it. Listen to it.
Do it close to the mic.
Alright guys, now we got rid of the box, and now we are left with these. So, I bet these are the pieces of the pitch. So, let's unbox them one by one.
Alright, let's start with
me. You
me.
get these two, I get this, and we both will open this one.
What's that? Okay. Ready? Let's go. Oh.
I knew it!
It's the pitch.
Definitely the pitch.
Oh. I got it
It's like puzzle pieces.
Yeah. Look, guys. It's like you have to connect them like puzzles. Yeah. Okay.
This is gonna be hard, dude.
Yup.
But we're soccer players, so we know how the lines are like, which will save us a bit of time, but it'll still take a lot of time.
Yeah. Alright guys, now we're actually finally getting it and we're having some good progress.
Yep. Finally, we're done with both, and now it's time to connect it.
Yup. Let's do this. Okay, guys, we finally are done with the pitch.
Let's go. Please don't lift it up. Don't lift it up.
It's good. I'm a careful guy.
Shh, are you sure about that?
Yep.
Remember that one day you dropped that cake?
Cake.
Oh, that was me. Oh, no.
Oh, yeah, I remember that day when you dropped that cake.
Oh, no,
yeah, that was you.
Okay, whatever.
Okay, so now we need to set up the goals.
Okay, so we got, this time we actually got a paper, but this is more simple.
Yeah.
Okay, let's read this. All right.
All right, guys, we're finally 100% done with our pitch.
We
oh my
add-
God, it sounds like there's water inside or something. Come on. All right, guys, so I'm gonna open mine.
All right, let's
So,
go.
Let's go. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh.
This time.
Show you guys first.
All right, guys, Vedant is now finally, after 2 hours of, I'm joking, after like 2 minutes.
While. I finally got the way how to open this.
All right, let's go.
In. Oh, let's go. We're done. Finally, now I can do this.
Bye-bye.
This looks like the ball that you use in pools or blitz. It's like pew. More satisfying part.
Oh, that was super duper satisfying.
Oh my God. Now it turned into a white ball. So now we're gonna unbox it now, for real. Ready?
Yeah, let's go. Let's twist it open like that, I think.
Yep. Oh, it comes in packaging.
Okay. Comes in the same old packaging.
Okay. Let's open this. Hopefully I packed someone good. Oh, I got Ferran Torres.
Whoa, ain't no way.
I got Ferran Torres. I'm not a Spain fan, but I'll take it. Ferran Torres.
He's a really good player.
Yeah. Did he play for Barca?
Yeah, he plays for Barca.
Hey. We can move it. It's nice.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's
you can even
tough.
move the head.
All right.
Oh, let's go.
Be careful. Maybe it might be maybe it might be a ticket to the World Cup. We'll see.
No way.
I'm joking.
It's like a ball or something, I feel like.
What is that?
Oh, it's a sticker.
Oh, it's like a card.
It comes with like a sticker or card. Oh my God. That's nice. Something else. And it comes with the soccer ball.
Yeah. Oh, we can play soccer
Yeah, we
with
can play
it.
soccer.
All right, take
like-
it. Us, us.
See, like this. Like.
He missed.
Hey, I made it. And then we can play with our people. Like, here, yeah. All right, guys.
Now Vedant just opened his. He packed Ferran Torres. And now let's see what I get. All right, let's go.
ASMR.
stop that happening too.
Let's see you.
It's fine. Let's see who I pack now.
Let's go.
3, 2, 1.
One. Wait, that comes in the packet.
Oh, I packed Alvarez. Yo.
Oh.
He is Mexican player. He is really good.
Oopsies.
Whoopsies. Whoa.
It's not Julian Alvarez.
Yeah.
As you guys saw, we packed 2 Spanish players actually. Speak the same language.
Yeah. I have my other ball, and this time I feel like we should do it at the same time.
All right, guys, we're at the white ball area, so let's twist it open.
One.
I got Musiala!
Oh my
I got Jamal
God,
Musiala!
wait. I'm fine.
Oh my God, I got Jamal Musiala! Let's go! My best player probably Jamal Musiala. Let's go! All right,
Yo,
time for you. So why did you do that at the same time? Who's this
Who?
guy? Rios? No, Rietz!
Rietz. Yo, I
2
just
German
pulled
players.
Rietz.
2 German players.
Ain't no way.
We're teammates.
They're teammates.
Oh my God, we pulled 2 German players and 2 Spanish players.
Yeah.
That's coincidence. So yeah, I think that's all. We packed good players. So I hope you guys liked it, and it took us time.
It took us a lot of
Oh
time.
my God, it took us almost an hour, but it was worth it.
Definitely worth it.
So now we need to place this somewhere, probably in a room.
Yeah.
And yeah, I think that's it for today's vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed watching our video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, subscribe.
And if you're new to our channel, make sure you go check out our other videos. And if you want to be part of our DVD family, you gotta like, share, and subscribe.
Then you're automatically in.
Yeah.
No money paying, just subscribe.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's all. Until then,
We
we
out.
out. Peace.